Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video topic is how to increase or boost volume on your Android mobile phone. So let's start the video. First, click on this volume up arrow key on your Android mobile phone. After that, click on this three dots. This will open the bar settings to increase the volume. Click on settings icon and this will open the volume settings. But if this option is not working or this option is not available, open settings on your Android mobile phone. After that, click on this option sound and vibration. Now click on this volume option. Now here you can increase the volume, the bar of your ringtone, media or notification. Click on these three dots, then click on this option media volume limit, and now enable this option, turn on this option and full this option custom volume limit, full this option. So this is your first step. After that, scroll down and click on this option sound quality and effects, and here you will see this option Dolby Atom. So this option will only work if you use any earphone or any Bluetooth device. As you can see, this effect only works with headphones and Bluetooth handset. So you have to use a headphone. Okay, now enable both the option. That's it. So these are the two steps you can apply to increase volume on your Android mobile phone. This is all for the video.